They say a company is only as strong as its foundation. Ours? It's built by the hands, grit, and heart of our crews. They show up before the world wakes up. They stay until the last bolt's in place. It's the kind of work that doesn't ask for attention, but deserves every ounce of it. And while we see it day in and day out, sometimes it means more coming from the ones who work alongside you.
One word to describe the people that work here is dedicated.
Dedication.
Dedicated.
Dedication.
Dedicated.
Dedicated.
The crews put in a lot of hard hours, long hours, come in early, work late, and all that hard work and dedication does not go unnoticed.
They show up every day. They do quality work. They take ownership of the work. And they are the reason why we're so successful and we have so much repeat business.
Day after day, same thing. They go through, work hard, they get jobs completed. Even though you're tired, you still care just as much as you would if you were doing the same project at your house.
Vibes on a good day are very busy, but people are normally happy.
We all get along together. We're like a big family out there in the field.
I think everyone understands the idea of teamwork, having each other's backs, making sure everyone stays safe and making sure everyone goes home to their families at night.
Kinsley Construction would not be what it is without the people that work here.
No matter the setback, our people show up and get the job done.
We see it from the top all the way to the bottom, what you guys do.
I would like to thank everybody that's worked with me over the years for all the hours we put in, the commitment to getting our projects finished, helping me when I'm stuck with issues. We work together as a team.
And I really appreciate all the guys and their time and their help with everything.
I am proud to have the guys underneath me. I think it is a pleasure watching you guys come here, watching them grow, and just watching them better themselves and just move up to the company.
I think the best way to say thank you to our people is thank you for taking care of our clients. Thank you for doing safe work. Thank you for doing quality work. I only get to do what I do because of what you guys do, and you do it great.
For everything you've built, we see you. We appreciate you. And we couldn't do it without you.